Hi everyone, and today it's review time again, and we're going to talk about the 996 SPS, this beautiful machine designed by Tamburini. This is so iconic, this shape, I have to say, one of my favourite Ducatis of all time. They only made 1,780 of this particular model, and they did them in 3 batches. This is the last of the line, the final run of them, which is more desirable because they tweaked the frame and obviously tweaked the engine as well. Fabulous bike. Not massive on the brake horsepower, they're only 135 brake horsepower, but a lot of soul to ride, and it's all about the handling on these machines. A particular example what's sat in front of me right now is amazingly one owner from new. 3,200 miles, and it's an absolute credit to its previous owner because it is A1 unblemished condition. It is beautiful. It's got some lovely period upgrades as well. It's got the magnesium Marchesini gold wheels, which were a very expensive option in its day, and it's also got the carbon turbine end cans as well. So they sound absolutely fantastic. They really do. To find one in this condition with this provenance, one owner from new, is just thing unheard of, and it would really enhance anyone's collection, or to put in a study or a games room or something like that. It's just a thing of beauty, and less is more. That's what Tamburini thought when he designed this bike, and he did an incredible job. Just no stickers all over it, with the gold wheels, the Rosso paintwork, and the nice white stripe on the back. It's an absolute credit to the guy who designed it, Tamburini. Well done, Tamburini. Yeah. And it's available down at the Bike Specialist right now at $23,980.